Visitors of Shanghai Festival feel dejected at the non-availability of tickets on eve of the last day. BJP accuses Congress government of taking advantage in the name of Shanghai. And US defeat India to clinch 9th Manipur Polo International 2015 title. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A large number of visitors to the main venue of Shanghai Festival have returned home dejected due to non-availability of tickets this evening. The festival, which concludes tomorrow, drew a large number of visitors, today being Sunday. The ticket counter at the western gate of the City Convention Center stopped selling tickets this afternoon around 1:30. People stood in long queues waiting for their turn at the counter. They tried to storm the ticket counter when the people selling tickets announced that there was no ticket available. Police had a hard time trying to control the huge crowd. All the counters at Andro Parking and Old Thumbutong also announced that tickets had run out of stock.
Yampak Sauba can normally ticketing a mega tato Paikale Arapataki, Gari Mayam, Hayat Raga, Family Punpunalanga, Bogan ticket Pangana Muhangi by them, then White Abokan only. Masi tickets, this Agana, Siliva, when I group 6, commissary tickets, Mati Tanning.
Masiam no idea, Jenning, Satina Mr. Mayam Punamagas, my Tambazan Panda. Smina Matung talked about Silly Mamakta, Mayam like Mayam seeing Jenning the like at the never. The Mayam Sikipian about the Honey Matung.
Representatives of Myanmar Meitei diaspora who have come to participate in Manipur Shanghai Festival were today given a warm reception by Research Forum Manipur Reform. International Observation Committee on Puya Mai Thaba ICOP invited them to the 287th commemoration of Puya Mai Thaba to be held on February 1st next year. Milal presented Meitei Mayek Mapi Leirak to the team. Myanmar Meitei diaspora convener K. Sundar Gopal expresses happiness at the reception and thanked Research Forum Manipur Reform. He also said the people of Manipur have to be involved in the development of Manipuri diaspora in Myanmar.
I will meeting on him, but not there. Later, meeting things. A hard mother quite like can a lake him. Was he could have the labor say, meeting on Namam Namamize, the sing Gumatamale. Later, me was so. Lising trago mamitay katamalera parmar so loy no punsilog da lising tra live dura lising ama hena ngamba mi lake trava adura mayam se so yokapaway na sambi se midana akoy bo mati bibiwo Manipur day mati yaw na akoy parmada akoy imangam loy krinor parma se de jati si yamye aduga Labour mayam se so parma manung de lebena nong khak ngam ga parma ga unar parma lon ngamuni
BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary Administration M. Asini Kumar has accused the Congress government of taking advantage in the name of Manipur's fauna, Shanghai. Speaking to the media at the BJP office at Nitepa Juthe, he expressed concern at the prevailing situation faced by the rare deer. He said the existence of Shanghai in Kaibulamjao has become questionable as the surroundings of the Kaibulamjao National Park have changed beyond repair. Ashwini Kumar alleged that even though the government is organizing Shanghai Festival to promote tourism in the state, it has failed to protect the animal. He said the Chief Minister and Forest Minister have never visited the national park to see its condition, despite in the power for the last 13 years. He asked to shift the office of the Deputy Conservator of Forest from Senjinthong Guest House to Kaibulamjao National Park.
Shanghai is maming Loraga, PTB Manga. Shanghai facing Maminda, Shanghai Shibu, Yoli, Shanghai Maminda, opportunity, Mamanga Si Langana Lori, Adubu, Amoranda, Shanghai Shibu Kanaranga Sibogda, Apaba, Hintanga Kontang, Amapoba, Say Town the Makaisa Center of Government as a packet of Udri, Mashi Labak, Amna Tivani, Manamuna, Nasi, Shanghai Pibam, Shanghai Nasi Hingliba, Gimongasham Nanga, Ore, Singanga, Ore, Shanghai Si, Gam Queen Hinkigade, Habagiruma, question arise over people the later Maramun Shanghai Kananaba Nasiki Langana Atuma Tamda concrete over comprehensive action plan Kangai Tanra Lokakadam had demand to Jenny.
More than 20 persons have been admitted to Jennings in the last 2 days due to food poisoning. All the victims are from Khongman and its adjoining localities. The affected persons were admitted to the hospital on the 27th of this month. Sources said the victims had consumed hawai jar, fermented soya bean. Some of the victims have been discharged from the hospital. However, some of them are still in serious condition and undergoing treatment. The victims are identified as Longjam Naba, 55 years from Thongju Part 2, and his wife El Lata, 52 years, and son El Thoiba, 18 years. Phamdam Apollo, 20 years from Thongju Part 2, El Homen, 30 years from Khongman Zone 3, Purnima, 26 years, Somolata, 38 years, RK Rohit, 19 years, RK Ongbi Ranjana, 45 years, Hijam Muklasana, 73 years, RK Ratan, 47 years, Sanjana El Inaucha, El Ibeyaima from Mangjil Mamang, S. Sadhana, 45 years from Kongba, Naindabam Lekai, S. Amarjit, El Sana from Wanghai Tokpam Lekai.
Hawai jar akhoi manak da yuan ba sida hawai jar se akhoi ingkhon nong ge loi lawe ba law sida lauri ba mi ngai loi pukhale ba pukhalak ba sida sum ai na khara he na sokpa haidoi kai haidoi no hangde
hawai jar saru degi moi khara yam porok pane da hoji hoji moi mari je sare hoji kanna nga sai pung 12 di porok pane da hoji khara ga di phanare hawai jar food poisoning hai da moi doctor jing hai mi da ko
hawai maru thana ma kona badagi jambadagi oi jamba wate oi riba kari no habadi khangde niyo ki sana thakna bada ayan ba pot jaw bas di phatte.
Titular King Lesemba Sana Jauba today said, women have a major role in fostering the bond among various communities, especially when the state is reeling under the clouds of animosity. Speaking at a Ningol Chakoba celebration organized by Sanamahi Sanapung at Lemayol Arts Center, Chingamakha, Lesemba Sana Jauba once again reiterated to shun advocacy of sectarian thoughts and restore the social and emotional integrity among the people. Mention may be made that Sanamahi Sanapung is an organization working on the preservation and protection of the culture, traditions, rituals and customs of the Meitei people.
Nupa mayam amang asi koi wakal tinarakraba phamin naba yakra matam sida ima ibel mayam sing machi taisan nabiu asi singda koi dongan ba wakal amada koi laiba mayam labung napa oiba haiba tari mayam se tam gi ima ibel mayam thembiru so tam da laiba koi wakal tadraba koi mayam ama labung napa laiba mayam se ima ibel mayam sangra makoi busu thembiu ani makse taisanaba honaba matamda ekoi ima ibel singna asoba thogdang ama lobiu tasengna makti hojik lamdam se leiba piba sing haiba tare singda leiba piba sing tamda leiba piba sing nuba oiba sing se phaminaba yaraktrabani.
The fourth Ningol Chakoba of handicapped women was held at Ibudho Korohanba Sanglen, Moidangpo. The feast was organized by International Handicap Welfare Mission, Khumbong, under the sponsorship of A. Guni Devi and her family. Kondhaujam MLA K. Sarat, L. Nabakishore, Padma Shri awardee and many eminent persons participated in the Ningol Chakoba. Speaking on the occasion, MLA K. Sarat expressed unhappiness over the indifferent attitude shown towards handicapped persons and the lack of welfare measures and programs. He said handicapped sports persons who have won medals in the national and international sports events should be given equal treatment like other medalists. He also assured that he will take up the matter in the upcoming assembly session to introduce some welfare schemes for the handicapped.
Nusinaragadaga habase, ako'y nusinaraba habase, the greatest is love at the Stegi Hena Saupolete, Nusinaragati, development of Sunate, unity to Sunate. Aduna, Nusinari Masaki, the Tavera, Samin Tavinamatam, Tata.
In a very disturbing incident, a helpless woman has been found looking for a childless couple to offer her 8-month-old son to get some amount of money for the treatment of her ailing husband. However, some persons mistook her of selling her son and captured and handed over her to Porampat police station. The woman is identified as Moirangthem Ningol Sapam Ongbi Basanti, 39 years, wife of Sapam Joy from Gularthol in Jiribam, now staying in Zowang in Suknu. Basanti told the media at Porampat police station that she was not selling her son. She was speaking to some persons at a hotel that she needed money for her husband's treatment and she was willing to give her infant son to childless couple to get some money. She said she has 4 children and her family has been facing financial problems after her husband was detected cancer last year. Basanti also said she was maintaining the family by collecting sand from the Suknu River. President of All Manipur Unemployed Veterinary Doctors Association, Dr. T.H. Chauba Devi, has stated that as the government has not held any recruitment to appoint veterinary doctors to fill up the vacant posts in the Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry for more than 18 years, the career of veterinary doctors has been put into a difficult situation. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Chauba Devi said Manipur has more than 150 veterinary doctors and some of them have crossed the age bar. She lamented that Manipur government has not taken any step to recruit the veterinary doctors despite their repeated requests. A meeting of executive members of All India State Government Employees Federation was held at GM Hall today. The meeting was organized as part of All India State Government Employees Federation's 3-day national executive meeting attended by Federation General Secretary Comrade A. Shri Kumar, Senior Vice Chairman Comrade Sukomal Sen and Chairman R. Modhu Sundaram and other executive members. The meeting discussed the challenges faced by the government employees. The meeting is organized for the first time in the state by Manipur Government Services Federation and Manipur Secretary Services Association. 22 representatives from several states including Kashmir, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Manipur are attending the 3-day meeting. UNLF has refuted the media report that Yaikom Prem Kumar, alias Ratan, son of Ibobi of Khurai Thongdam Lekai, presently staying at Lilong Chajing Karam, is a UNLF cadre. In a press release, Director Publicity M. Sakhen said, Prem Kumar is not related with the party and is armed wing MPA in any way. According to the PRO Police Department, Prem Kumar was arrested by a combined team of Manipur Police and 12th Bihar Regiment after a search operation at Long Chajing Karam on the 28th of this month. It also denies Prem Kumar of helping in the recording of the song entitled Chinghai Phidu. Prizes of the first Imphal National Press Salon, hosted by Images of Manipur, were presented today to the winners of Khumukcham Leon Lili Devi Memorial Committee Hall in Thangmeban, Thingjel Lekai. Newly elected BJP MLA of Thangmeban Assembly Constituency, Khumukcham Joy Kishan, was also felicitated at the event. Images of Manipur organized the All India Photography Contest under the aegis of Federation of Indian Photography. Khundrakpam Bishojit bagged the second place in color category, Laisham Bipujit bagged the first prize in travel photography and Moirangthem Premier bagged the third place in photojournalism category. Secretary of Images of Manipur, Jidendra Maibam said 1-year photography course will be open from January next year. MLA K.S. Joykishan opened an exhibition of photographs. A 5-day school awareness program was held in Moreh. Social Development Organization Sudo Telephone Counseling Project organized the program under MAX in different schools in Moreh. Resource person spoke on HIV/AIDS to create awareness among the students. 2-day district-level youth leadership training program on impart the qualities of good leadership and the life skill education to the youth began at Jimpal Auditorium in Jiribam. The training was jointly organized by District Youth Affairs and Sports Office, Jiribam, and Child Welfare Ashram, Jiribam. Those who spoke on the occasion stressed the need for youths to have leadership qualities. Urging the youths to inculcate leadership qualities, they maintained that a peaceful and developed society and nation will be there only when youth possess leadership qualities and take a major role in the society. Writers will take a tour of Karang Island on December 6. The tour will be organized by Patriotic Writers Forum, Manipur. At least 40 writers and persons interested in studying and learning the lifestyle and history of the people of Karang will take part in the tour. A study circle will also be organized in association with Karang Island Development Association. Well-known artist Guru Ruben Masangwa has appealed to all concerned not to impose ban on performance by artists in the state. Ruben was reacting to a ban imposed by a number of organizations from the hills and valley on the performance by artists. Speaking to media on his return after performing at India-China Handshake Concert 2015 on November 27, organized by Foreign Affairs and Overseas Chinese Affairs Office, Kunming Municipal People's Government, he said the people as well as the government must understand the role of the artists and sportspersons in strengthening the relations among the nations. The Guru maintained that even though there is a political difference among the countries, artists and sportspersons should be allowed to perform freely. 5 teams from India performed in the Kunming concert and Guru Ruben represented Manipur. Now the news from the world of sports. The US defeated defending champions India Manipur by 5-4 to clinch the 9th Manipur Polo International 2015 title. The tournament was organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association at Mapal, Kangjibung. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Francis Najokpa, Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai, Khangapok MLA Okram Landhoni Devi, among others, witnessed the final match and other traditional games of Manipur. The tournament, organized as part of the Manipur Sangai Festival, is considered a major event and a crowd puller. Governor of Manipur V. Sanmuganathan opened the tournament on the 22nd of this month. The US, Australia, England, Thailand and India participated in the international tournament. Arambai, Langba and Pana Sagol Kangje highlighted the final day of the 9th Manipur Polo International 2015 at Mapal Kangjibung this afternoon. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, Rural Development Minister Francis Najokpa, Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai and people from different walks of life witnessed the final match between host and defending champion Manipur and the US. Men and women team of Orissa won the 7th East Zone Softball Championship. In the women's final played at Kumalampak Sports Complex Practice Ground, Orissa trashed Manipur by 9-1. While in men's finals, Orissa defeated Manipur by 10-4. The championship was organized by Manipur Softball Association. 2 women's teams and 5 men's teams competed in the championship. 7th Ampha Senior Women's Football League for BM Singh Trophy kicked off at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground today. In the first league match, YWC Langthabal routed NYTHC Okram Chuthek by 12 goals to nil. Reena Roy scored 6 goals. PH Bina scored 4 goals, while Victoria and Bimola scored 1 goal each. In the second league match, ESU Wanghai defeated MPSC Manipur by 2 goals to nil. Umapati and Prameshwari scored 1 goal each for ESU Wanghai. 5 teams are competing in the tournament organized under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. 2 league matches will be played on December 1st. BPYC Basikong have won Ngangkham Boboi Memorial 2nd Division Football League tournament, while PRYA Khundrapum are the runners-up. In the first league match of the tournament played today, ASC YC Andro and SWC Khongman were drawn 1-1, while PRYA Khundrakpam and PYPC Pudongpam were drawn 2-2. In the last league, BSU Kairao trashed BPYC Basikong 3-0. The tournament was organized at Social Worker Congress Ground, Khongman, under the supervision of Imphal East District Football Association. Manipur disabled cricket team today left Imphal to participate in the 10th National Para Cricket Championship 2015 to be held in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Wanghimcha Samjai flagged off the team, which comprises 13 players and 3 officials, at Manipur Press Club. The championship will be held from December 3 to 5 at Lucknow's KD Singh Bapu Stadium. Jiribam Nupi Kangkhut lifted the trophy of the 26th Ngangbi Maharani Dhanamanjuri Invitation Kang Tournament. Jiribam Nupi Kangkhut defeated Aku Nupi Kangkhut Thangmaban by 1914 in the final played at Manipur Kangsang Khuman Lampak Sports Complex. Yaiskul Nupi Kangkhut and Hailahandi Nupi Kangkhut Silchar shared the 3rd place. Somola of Jiribam Nupi Kangkhut was adjudged Best Player of the tournament. 7 women Kang teams participated in the tournament organized by Manipur Kang Association. YAS Director W. Bhaktaraj, Joint Director K.H. Pramoda Devi, members of the association among others attended the final. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Visitors of Sangai Festival feel dejected at the non-availability of tickets on eve of the last day. BJP accuses Congress government of taking advantage in the name of Sangai. And US defeat India 5-4 to clinch 9th Manipur Polo International 2015 title.